Welcome all of you in the chapter Combustion in CI engine. Today we are going to see the detonation in CI engine. Now as you know, there is the 4 stage which related to the combustion in CI engine. First A to B, that process is called as the delay period. B to C, that is called as the uncontrolled combustion. C to D, controlled combustion. And D to E, that is the after burning process. We already discussed this one. Now what is the detonation in case of CI engine? So if you observe, A is the point of injection where fuel is injected, and B is the point of combustion. So actual combustion is started at this point. Now during the A to B period, whatever the fuel is injected, that is called as the accumulated fuel. Assume that the fuel injection rate is mg per second. And if you consider the time lagging which related to the ignition lag is T1, then amount of mass injected during this period is m into T1. During this period only fuel is injected, combustion is not started. Actual combustion is started at the B point, but already fuel is available. The amount of fuel is m into T1 and still injection is continue during this period. If I am consider the time interval is T2 for this, then amount of mass injected during this time is m into T2. So how much fuel is available during this period? M into T2, that is accumulated fuel which injected during the ignition lag period, and M into T2, that is injected during this period. So total mass is M into T1 plus M into T2. If combustion is started at this point, what happened? The total mass M into T1 and M into T2, it start the ignition. Here lots of temperature and pressure is rise during this period. That's why that is called as the uncontrolled combustion. If you check this one, you can easily see this one. This is the mass M into T1 which is injected during the ignition lag period, and this is the another mass which is added due to the continued injection, that is M into T2. So this much mass is available, that means M into T1 plus additional mass is added M into T2. Now that start the ignition. If you see here ignition is take place everywhere. That means that is not like a SI engine. At one point fuel is injected, at one point combustion is started, and that propagate down in a downward direction with some sequence like this one. That means whatever the fuel is comes into the contact with the burn fuel, that fuel is only ignite. So that's happen inside the SI engine. But in case of CI engine, if you are seeing, that is the so many droplet is there and that ignite at the same time. So here rapidly pressure and temperature is rise during this period. If ignition lag time is high, amount of mass or accumulated mass is also high, and additional mass is added due to the continuous injection. So amount of mass is high during the uncontrolled combustion is rapidly increase the pressure and temperature. So what happened? There is developing the vibration and noise during this period. So this is called as the detonation in case of CI engine. In CI engine, detonation is happen before TDC. If you observe carefully, detonation is happen before TDC, and that is the pre-stage combustion that happens at the beginning of the combustion. That is detonation. Here this vibration is due to the flame collision of rapid combustion happens inside the combustion chamber. So here wall is going to vibrate. Frequency of this vibration is 1000 per second. In case of the SI engine, that is 5000 per second. So in the case of CI engine, the frequency is somewhat less. This is called as the detonation. Once the fuel is burned during this period, that means mass m into T1 plus m into T2. Whatever the mass is injected by the injector is burned with the absence of delay period, because heat which is produced by the uncontrolled combustion is carried out by the controlled combustion. During this period, as fuel is injected, that burn. So this is called as the controlled combustion, and this is called as the abnormal combustion, detonation, which happens during the period of uncontrolled combustion. Uncontrolled combustion is already there, but if mass of accumulated fuel is too high, that means if delay period is too high, rapidly pressure and temperature is rise during this uncontrolled combustion, and that is called as the detonation. So detonation happens before TDC. So detonation is gas vibration and audible sound. How that is produced? That is produced due to the uncontrolled combustion, and due to the uncontrolled combustion, extreme pressure difference is created during the second stage of the combustion, that is uncontrolled combustion, and that is defined by the detonation. Here if you see this one, that is indicate the detonation happen, that means the vibration frequency is maybe 1000 per second. It's produce the vibration as well as audible sound. And I already told you there is the two mass, m into T1 and m into T2. So during the uncontrolled combustion, total mass is m into T1 plus m into T2. The mass amount is too high, is producing the detonation during the uncontrolled combustion stage. If ignition lag period is longer, is invite the detonation as more amount of fuel is accumulated during that period. And I already told you what happened during this period. Rapidly pressure and temperature is rise, engine run roughly. If ignition delay is quite long, more amount of fuel is accumulated, and during the uncontrolled combustion, rapidly pressure and temperature rise, and that invite the detonation. So sometime in so many books that is defined as the knocking, but that is not a knocking. You can say as a diesel knocking or detonation. Detonation is somewhat similar phenomena like a SI engine, but that happens, but in SI engine, knocking is occur at the end of the combustion, and in CI engine that happen at the beginning of the combustion.